बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या सय्यदी या रसूलल्लाह व आलिका व अस्हाबिका या सय्यदी या हबीबल्लाह। Excellency Dr. Arif Alvi, Honorable President of Pakistan, esteemed ambassadors and high commissioners, respected former presidents and seniors, my executive committee members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a matter of immense pride for me, my colleagues and LCSI executive committee members, to have this opportunity to welcome the Honorable Ambassadors and High Commissioners to the President House on the occasion of LCCI Annual Ambassadors Dinner 2023. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Excellency Dr. Arif Alvi, President of Pakistan, for providing us this prestigious forum to hold a get-together of LCCI members with the heads of foreign missions in Pakistan. Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry, being the premier business support organization with a history spanning over 100 years of service, is widely acknowledged by the diplomatic community. It is indeed a matter of great honor for us that almost all the heads of foreign missions in Pakistan keep on visiting LCCI to interact with us for discussing matters of mutual interests. It is a well-established fact that LCCI Annual Ambassadors Dinner is primarily arranged on annual basis to reinforce these working relations with the heads of foreign missions, and also to lay a solid foundation to establish closer and deeper contacts with them. Our efforts and attention have always been focused on developing sound relations with our respected diplomatic community, who can play an instrumental role in enhancing trade and economic relations between their respective countries and Pakistan. We believe that your role in promoting economic diplomacy is vital for expanding global commerce and economic growth. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to project Pakistan as a strong case for developing trade and economic relations at global level. Pakistan has literally seen off the tough times and is emerging as a safe place to do business and foreign investments, inshallah. I deem it necessary to make special mention about the Special Investment Facilitation Council, SIFC, established to primarily focus on expediting new investments in various sectors including defense, agriculture, mineral and mining, information technology, telecommunication, and energy. We expect that all of you will apprise the investors belonging to your countries about SIFC. I give you the utmost assurance that they would be facilitated on top priority to invest in Pakistan. Pakistan's strategic location, abundant natural resources, and a young and talented workforce make it an attractive hub for businesses around the world seeking expansion and growth opportunities. I humbly urge the members of foreign diplomatic community to spread the message in your home countries and especially amongst your business community to invest in Pakistan. Moreover, our vision extends beyond mere economic cooperation. We believe in the power of mutual collaboration and knowledge sharing. In today's interconnected world, the transfer of knowledge and technology plays a central role in fostering growth and innovation. As we seek to strengthen ties with both developed and developing countries, we request you to facilitate partnerships and collaborations that may help us in improving the skill set of our manpower and bringing technological advancements. Let us envision a future where Pakistan emerges as a hub of economic growth in various sectors through these partnerships. We are really keen to benefit from the expertise and knowledge of our international friends to achieve the state of economic self-sufficiency. We wish to seek your support and guidance in order to enhance trade and also increase the liaison with our foreign counterparts for thrashing out the latest ideas of business development that may promise win-win situation for everyone. Together, we can open doors to new markets and build bridges to prosperity. If we succeed in transforming our international trade, we can easily address our core economic issues. It goes without saying that your cooperation and assistance can play a key role in obtaining these objectives. I assure you that our private sector is extending full support to the provincial and federal governments in their efforts to provide a business-friendly environment, promoting ease of doing business, particularly facilitating through one-window operation. We are continuously working to remove our barriers that hinder foreign investment and economic growth. While concluding, I would stress upon the need of joining hands for deepening our mutual ties for the benefits of all nations involved. Let us work together to unleash the full potential of Pakistan's economy, making it a thriving hub for business and innovation. We look forward to seeing the Honorable Ambassadors and High Commissioners at LCCI again, who came in great numbers to grace the occasion. With that, I thank everyone for their participation in LCCI Annual Ambassadors Dinner 2023. Thank you and best of luck. Long live Pakistan.